Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, really kind of makes boiling the chart down pretty easy in terms of kind of who's in control. And I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say that the bears are in full control, but that does lead to the logical question, well, how can we gauge the strength or maybe weakening of the bears? And in my opinion, at least, that's where this purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And simply put, as long as the price is below that purple line, bears are in full control, no questions asked. So any sort of bullish price movement should be looked at with a skeptical eye until the bulls can prove themselves, which again leads into the logical question, okay, how are we defining proving themselves? Well, again, all about the purple line. And for me, proving themselves is not only breaking above the purple line, but then being able to stay above it. Case in point right here, sure, the price broke above it on a few different occasions, but as far as maintaining and staying above it after the break, the price was never able to do that. And, you know, the price on both of these instances ended up falling right back below it. So bears are in full control as long as the price is below that purple line. And the first step that the bulls can prove themselves in regards to saying, hey, yeah, we're back in town. And not only are we back in town, we're gaining strength, we're gaining momentum, is by breaking above that purple line and then staying up above it. So purple line, definitely very important level. And really, you know, a very simplistic way to kind of, you know, answer those questions of, are the bulls making any progress or are the bears still in full control? As far as levels of support are concerned, it's all about 28 cents. You can see on 2 different occasions today, the bears did try to press down through 28 cents, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding above 28 cents. Again, does that mean that the bulls are fully back in town? No, that's where it's circling back to the purple line. Just because the price managed to hold up a couple times doesn't mean that this thing's headed up to 55 cents tomorrow. Still a lot of work to be done, and that first step of work, all again about that purple line 50-period simple moving average. So a lot of volume in this one today. We'll see if the bulls are trying to bottom things out for at least a dead cat bounce or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.